Good morning, everybody. Here I welcome you to the Government High School, Haraknad Taluk, and Vijayanagara district. Here we are going to conduct today. We are going to conduct a book show and TLM's exhibition. You can have a look at them. And these exhibitions are TLMs are prepared by students and teachers, and I have taken from websites also. You can have a look at it, and you can gain some knowledge through this. Thank you. Let us have a look on those. Friends, this is a model of opposite words working model. Here we can tell the students to make this model by using the waste material like a box and other things. Here we can students are prepared. Here you can pull like this the reel inside, and here you see more. You can ask the students tell me the opposite word. If they tell, that's okay. Or else we can show it here in less. And opposite word cold. Opposite word of cold is hot. Like this, you can have the opposite word least. There are two sentences in this charts. These sentences, number one is the quick brown fox jumps or the lazy dog. This sentence contains the totally 6 letters of the alphabet of English. You can have a look at it. And that sentence, pack my box with 5 dozens of liquor jugs. This is also a sentence in English which contains 26 letters of the English. And these charts are singular and plural numbers. You can have a look at it. And the words which containing yes, and the words which containing sh, ch, like this, you can have a look at them. Different types of singular and plural words are here. Prepare a chart named palindromes. Palindromes are the words which we see. You can have a look at them. If you read from the right to left, you can get the same word, and if you read it from right to left, same meaning and spelling you will get. These kind of words are called palindromes. Student, that is proverb chart, that is all weddings are not gold, make the hay when the sun shines, and blood is thicker than water. You can have a look at it. And here are the charts about sentences and about nouns and about pronouns. Totally there are 8 charts of parts of speeches, and pronouns are there, all charts are there, and the students also have prepared, and the adverb chart is there, and after that adjective chart is there, and after that conjunctions chart is there, and prepositions, after that interjection chart is there. They have prepared themselves, and these are all printed materials, and these charts have been prepared by the students. And you can have a list of the books here. These are all which are there in our library or school library. You can have a look at them. And here are 2 more charts. That is gender chart. In English there are 4 types of genders: common gender, neuter gender, and feminine gender, masculine gender. Those are described in these 2 charts. And one more chart is prepared by a student, that is telling the time, how to tell the time in English. That chart has been explained in this chart. And here are some short words. Chart of short words. We call them slangs. Here is those slangs or short forms, we call them Grammar Padalu short forms stage, and they have given both words. Short words are there, and long explained or extended words are there. And here you can see I am, don't, do not. These kind of words have been explained in this chart. And one more chart is prepared by our student, that is a puzzle chart, vegetables, fruits. He has drawn this picture on his own, and he has given the puzzle, he has given the clue as pictures as the clues, and on the basis of these pictures they also will appear. For example, this is pineapple. Number 1 is here, you can fill here pineapple. This kind of chart has been made by the student. Thank you for watching. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಉಕ್ಕಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಈಗ this chart is about precautions. Okay, they have drawn the different scene of school and other village. On the basis of that, they have used the ground to show their own the precaution award around. They have shown the ground running in the ground. To show the precaution under and on, they have used the tree, and to show the in and into, they have used the box, and to show the in and at precautions, they have used the in Haraknar and at GHS Haraknar, and climbing up, climbing down, up and down precautions have been prepared here, and on, under, to that, between, beside, in front, with, above, over, beneath, and on, in, these along, since, and across. These precautions have been explained by them. You can have a look at them. Model of letter, official letter they have written here, which is requesting 2 days leave. Is there? You can send the question. They will give a profile. They have to write as an explanation of that in a paragraph. This has been written by students. And after that, collocative models have been written here. They have written the collocative words or collocations we call them. They are written. You can have a look at them. And one more working model they have been prepared. Opposites working model we can call it as. You can tell to the students to tell the opposite words of light. If they tell, that's good and well and good. If they don't tell, you can have a look at them. You can write like this: opposite light, opposite word dark. It will be inside this cup, and long, short, and then close, open, and then high, low, busy. Sorry, this word has been written wrongly. Busy, free, and this is old, new. Thank you. That is the rhyming words: grey, day, long, strong, wide, eye, like this. So here are some rhyming words: grey, way, her, stir, sheep, deep, like this. Here are some words, rhyming words: go, low, true, group, like this.